Oh, it looked like peanut butter just all on my face. Oh, what's good? Oh, what's up? Oh, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Keeks, Janee, and I'm back with another video. And as you can tell by the title, your girl is gonna be doing her makeup because we finna get back right. We finna, if y'all like, I feel like this kind of loud. If y'all like an OG, like been around since my channel first started, then you know that like I used to do makeup. I used to do my makeup all the time, but then I stopped because I felt like it was breaking me out and I just wasn't feeling it anymore. But I had the grandest of ideas. It was like, I need to start back doing my makeup because I was feeling myself. So I don't know if I'm gonna talk or if I'm gonna make this like one of those talk over things. I don't know. I'm gonna just talk, and then if I don't like what I'm saying, then I'll just do the talk over thing. But for right now, and if you see my last video, then you seen like everything that I went to go buy from Walmart. So I'm just getting that stuff out right now. You know, your girl gotta get set up over elbow. I do have topics. Let me see. Y'all like my hair? It's getting poofy already. It's getting poofy already, and like honestly I am getting hot right now. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail, but I mean it's whatever. I didn't want it to be super flat anyway, so it's all good. Oh shoot, I forgot I'm gonna have to do my eyebrows. Oh, and I didn't even get y'all, hold on. Alright you guys, I'm back, but I decided, as you can see, I decided to just do my eyebrows off camera because when I be doing my eyebrows, it be taking a, well, not a long time, but it be taking up time. And I just, I don't have time. But right now, I'm about to use my primer that I got yesterday. I hope this works. If this works, then it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. I feel like nothing came out. I'm gonna put it like right over here, especially because this is where I get oily the most. Alright, so primer is on. What am I looking for? So primer is on. Now it's on to the makeup. I mean the foundation, and y'all, I'm nervous. I think, which brush? Is this a brush? Buffing foundation. How do y'all put y'all foundation on? Like, do y'all use a brush or do y'all use a beauty blender? I feel like I'm gonna be using both. I should have watched like one of my older videos to see like, okay girl, what you was doing when you was doing your makeup. Am I supposed to pour this on something or just pour it on a brush? I'm gonna pour it on my hand because I just feel like that's gonna be, ooh, that's too much. Okay, so I got it on my hand. I hope this blends. I hope this is the right match for me. Oh, it looked like peanut butter just all on my face. I guess this might be one of those processes, one of those things where it's like you gotta trust the process. And when y'all use these, do y'all like wet it? No. like. Cause see, the thing about it is, on the camera it's looking very much shiny, but when I look in the mirror, it's not giving that at all. It's giving a matte finish, the matte finish that I wanted. It's definitely giving matte, and I'm loving it. I'm like, okay, let me find out we know what we're doing. Hold up, y'all. Okay, cause who ain't just doing foundation? Period. You just want to make sure that shit is blended in all the way, period. Okay, I'm gonna do this one, but I'm gonna be real light with it. I'm gonna use the same one, but I'm gonna use like maybe this part. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, honestly, in Encanto, I feel like Bruno was my favorite character. Okay, so now I'm about to put this setting powder. Well, is it called setting powder? I don't think so. At this point, I'm making up words. You want to give it a little tap, 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 because we don't want to look half get ready, okay? Something is telling me that I'm using this wrong. Because at this point, I'm just putting it anywhere. Oh. Okay, so when I do my lashes, I cut them. I don't just put them right on. I cut them to make sure it matches up with my eyeball. And then I line it up like this just to really make sure that it matches, like lines up. Okay, we struggling, so hold up. Alright, so lashes are on. I had to go in the bathroom to do it, like use the bathroom mirror. So I feel like we let this sit on our face long enough. So I'm just gonna go like this. Honestly, I have no idea if it even does anything, like if what I did was even necessary. Like what I just got through doing, was that even necessary? Oh, 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 yeah, I remember that. Let me stop. Okay, because it's giving, it looks like I got a filter on. And don't. And do not. It's giving filter. So I don't really know like what kind of lip look I'm going for. Maybe just like, since we're doing basic, since we're doing soft, since we're doing everyday, let's just go with like I feel like this is gonna come out the color that it is, and I don't want that. I want like a natural neutral lip, and something is telling me I don't have that. I do have a contour kit. I'm not really like a contour person, I guess, like, but it is what it is. But this is what it looked like. I'm gonna go obviously with the darker one. Perfecto. I'm gonna just get the brush so it's like this. And honestly, this is not as dark as I thought it was. I thought it was gonna be darker. Is it giving yet? Because it's giving for me. Another thing I got is highlighter. And I'm feeling like that's going to be it. Like after I do, honestly, I probably won't even do this like on I probably won't even do this like on an everyday thing. But just for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it. So this is the highlight oil. Can you see? Whatever. I don't remember which one I used to use, but I feel like it was more so. Honestly, I feel like I didn't even use this. TBH. I'm just gonna be real light with this because I'm not trying to overdo it. I still can't decide on a lip. So at this point it's giving, I'm gonna leave this out, I'm gonna throw this out. But at this point, I don't know, I guess I'm gonna just go with this. I'm gonna just be, not sad, but like a little hurt if we come at home. See, should I do this? I think I'm gonna do this. Let me see. Yeah, we may as well just go with that. I used to do like a liner, but I don't think I am. Not this video, because like I said, we're going for like everyday type. Oh, I hope this is not too pink. Oh gosh. It's giving go wipe this off, because this is not it. Hold on, we're gonna find a different, like a darker one, and we're gonna see if I can mix it. Y'all, so the thing about it is, remember how I took that bottom lip off? So I put this on over it, and I don't know, like it toned down a lot, but the way that the lighting and stuff is set up. But I'm gonna drop pictures so y'all can see, because I promise you, it don't look like how the camera is looking. Like the camera is trying to do me dirty pretty much. I hope this video isn't too long, because I don't want to bore y'all. But I don't think I'm a boring person. I think I'm entertaining. I hope I'm entertaining. But actually, I'm thinking we're gonna leave the light right here. We're just trying to play around with some things. Let me see what this do. Oh, and I guess I'm doing it. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness, I look like a ghost. Then we got this. Then we got this. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it with this light for the end of the video, just so I can see like what it's looking like for real. And if it's good, actually, hold on, let me see. I just wanted to end this video really quick. Just come back and show you guys. I took the hair out the ponytail because, you know, let me stop. I'm feeling myself. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like another video, since I already got everything set up. I got my makeup done, so I may as well just hit y'all with another video. This one is gonna be explaining like why I took my hair out, like why I combed it out. yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for watching the video through, because I know it may be a little long, but just work with me here. We trying to do something new. Like, we about to be doing stuff different. We just about to be coming different, okay? Like, this isn't gonna be the same Kiki from before. This is gonna be somebody new, okay? Brand new. Y'all don't know her. Y'all need to get to know her. You think you knew her in high school, you think you knew her in, I just can't get over the little, excuse me, you think you knew her in 2021? No. You think you knew her with the locks? No. This is a whole new person. But yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get all of my videos. You know how that goes. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Literally.